Tired of writing complex prompt every time to get consistent results in Perplexity AI? What if I tell you there's a way to access repetitive prompt by just entering a command in your text box? So for that, you need to have Comet browser on your device, and you can simply go to the text box and enter slash, and you'll see a list of shortcuts where you can click on the create shortcut button, or you can also navigate to shortcut setting through this settings on your account. Here you'll have to name the shortcut that you want to create. Like, I'm going to call this shortcut cheapest, and the instruction is to compare the product that I'll add and compare its price on different website and list the link that has the lowest price and why is it best. Now you can go to the advanced setting where you can select the model as well as the source. I'm just going to keep it as default and save it. Now you can simply use it by asking it about any product. Here I'm going to add in a product name of a laptop and then use my shortcut and simply hit enter. So this is the result that it's giving me, and it told me that it is hard to decide a single one because there are multiple variation even in this laptop, and it has given me the list of all the retailer website, and in the end it has given me name for the website that I should check out first, that is stable. So that's that. Well, if you don't have Comet browser, you can use this shortcut even in your normal browser, but you can't create or update them. Also, to update them, you can go to the account and shortcut setting, and you can click on the shortcut that you want to change and change over here and simply save it. So that was how you can create shortcuts in Perplexity AI that helps you out with creating complex prompt every time.